Step 1. Inflate all balloons and have them tied up. Then you're gonna have the balloons together to create a pair. Blow up the large black balloon to the desired size, ensuring it is fully inflated and has the appropriate shape. Make sure the small balloon is securely attached to the large balloon, maintaining the cauldron shape. Use the glue dot and ribbon to tie the big black balloon and the base. Use the long twisting balloons to create the rim of the cauldron. Inflate some small balloons to create the bubble effect. Get this DIY kit on the link down below. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more fun and creative party decoration ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you never miss a new video. We'll see you in the next video.